Nestled in the heart of the prime Upper West Side, 650 West End Avenue stands as a timeless testament to classic New York elegance. Welcome to apartment GAB, a grand pre-war condominium that truly captures the essence of sophistication and charm. Steps up from the lobby, the 7-room, high first-floor residence begins with a warm and spacious foyer, featuring a large coat closet. The expansive living room, with its old-world details, is adorned with 10-foot-high ceilings, 2 large windows, and beautiful 4-inch wide plank oak hardwood floors. Adjacent to the living room is a gracious dining room with built-in storage, creating an ideal space for entertaining. The heart of this home is its beautiful eat-in kitchen with custom cabinetry, a banquette with seating for 8, top-of-the-line Sub-Zero appliances, a wine fridge, Viking range, Shores, farmhouse sink, and a Bosch dishwasher. Off the kitchen is a functional home office featuring built-ins, a Bosch washer and dryer, and half bath. This 3-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom residence is thoughtfully designed with well-proportioned, oversized split bedrooms. The primary suite includes an ensuite bathroom with a luxurious walk-in steam shower and 2 walk-in closets. On the opposite side of the apartment are 2 large, spacious bedrooms with a shared bathroom. This home also features split HVAC units in every room, intricate moldings and trimmings, plenty of storage, and double-paned, soundproof windows. 650 West End Avenue has a 24-hour doorman, live-in super, gym, on-site laundry facilities, storage, and bike rooms. It is ideally situated moments from Riverside Park and an array of fine eateries and major transportation. Please reach out to schedule a viewing.